Hello, Escambia County Public Schools. Are you looking for ways to encourage students to use technology devices responsibly and overall be good digital citizens? Well, the Student Data team has some tips that will help your students make informed decisions about their technology use, both in school and in their personal lives. So let's promote healthy, balanced, and positive approaches to media and technology use. Here we go. First of all, what in the world is digital citizenship? It's using technology responsibly, safely, and respectfully. Check out the following tips. Tip number 1, show respect and privacy. It's important to treat others online just as you would if you were in person. You should also respect the privacy of others and not share information without their permission. And as always, you should use appropriate language and tone while you're online. Tip number 2, guard your online safety and security. It's so important to create strong passwords and keep them up to date. Be careful not to select links or download information from sources you do not know. Keep your security software up to date, and last, be aware of online scams and phishing. Believe it or not, there are people out there who may want to steal your information. Tip number 3, critical thinking and media literacy. Make sure you check the credibility of online sources, especially before you pass it on. Be aware there is a lot of questionable information in online content. Find out the facts before believing and sharing it. Tip number 4, show a positive online presence. Make sure you share positive content. Take a stand when cyberbullying or online harassment occurs, and use your online presence to make a positive impact. And last, tip number 5, maintain balance and well-being. Make sure and take breaks from technology. It's hard to do, but put that phone down or close that laptop. Find time to do activities that promote your physical and mental well-being. Balance your online and offline life. So in conclusion, when you're online, think before you share, protect personal information, fact-check information, be positive and kind, and balance screen time use. Thanks for watching. For more helpful videos, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel.